Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of I Was Forced to Love My Stepmother, a movie queen in a love show, chapter 82. So here it is. Let's read the story. Oh, look at her, since her parents knows that she came back to China without telling them. Of course, she's been contained, she's been holed off in the house, and now, since it was raining hard, she wanted to escape to see Jane again. Well, for love, I really don't care about anything else. I finally got out, but still, her foot was shaking. Probably she's really surprised that Shirley went out the window just to see Jane tonight. I just called so many times, but no one's answered. I hope Chan won't be mad at me for breaking the appointment. Well, it makes sense, right? She's been confused and also curious about Chan. Well, finally, she reached Chan. She was running inside. She was rushing to because still it was raining hard. She needed to go quickly. Also, she got really drenched in the rain. Now, when she came inside, she can said, "Wife, here I come." Well, this girl, she's been tricky, but also this like sadness because Janjan really hate her so much. Now, looking at the situation, Janjan, she was staring all the photos of the two of them. Well, those are the happy moments when the two of them are still together, since she thinks that she doesn't care or she doesn't love and only wants to know why did she said the things over her mother. All her things are here since she already packed up the things and she was still holding the recording doll. Well, it seems that she was really sad this moment. But looking at this girl, she was screaming outside the house and said, "Little Swan, your wife is here." She was calling her, but still, Jan, she won't answer her call. And finally, she looked back. Well, this time, is she really going to face her, to confront her, or she will let her slide like this? But looking at Jan, she seems to be, she is really sad, and she don't want to stick to her anymore. Maybe, in her eyes, I'm just an interesting and beautiful ornament. Well, little Swan, she was still thinking that on her eyes, she was still only an ornament to be able to live when she wanted. She would take out to admire it on whim, but sooner or later it would be put away in the cabinet. She went looking for a new beautiful in in her eyes. Well, let's see what's gonna happen. This is really getting interesting. Also, can she really forgive her? Just like her ex-girlfriend, I'm not the first. Well, all she thinks about, she is being jealous at this moment. She thinks that she's been treated like the exes of hers, but she doesn't know that there's a problem in the house. Jan, she laid down the box. It won't be the last cedar. Well, it seems that she's really getting serious about this. Also, she's been sure that she won't really accept her any moment. Well, this time, she was going to open the door when to see her, but the boxes are still laying on the floor. Well, she must see this when she entered inside the house. Makes sense. Chan finally is opening the door. She is not speaking, but looking at her face, she's still sad about this. Well, there's a lot of things are thinking on her mind, and it really makes sense. It was not really priority to go back with her. Jane, let me tell you, it was not easy for me. So this girl, she was trying to defend herself, but of course, John, she's really looking forward for the good reasons that these two, it's really coming back together. Let's break up, Chanjan suddenly said to her. Now, she was still surprised and said, what? Probably it was not really sinking on her mind, but still, she is really surprised by this. She keeps staring on Chanjan. Chanjan, what are you talking about? Now, she is trying to coax her wife, but it seems that Chanjan, she is really finalized and she really wanted to break off with her. This is really terrifying, right? A fierce sadness, but I said, break up. Chanjan suddenly said, I said, break up. She was really sure about breaking off with her, even though without any hesitation, of course. But now it makes sense. The thunder is traveling, but still, she kept asking why she wanted to break off with her. Well, do you think Janjan can tell her about the way she's speaking on her mother and she was talking behind hers? Why should we break up just because I missed an appointment? My parents found out I have returned to China and brought me back home and tied up. Well, she was explaining to her, but still that Janjan, she's really decided. Of course, this is really getting terrified. Do you know how much effort I put into escaping to see you? Now, Chen, she stepped back when she is coming in. Well, this might be the long story for the two of them, but Chen seems to be confusing. At this moment, she is stepping back herself. She don't want to get closer on her, and it really makes sense. That's why she really surprised about this. Well, these two, they should really need to rekindle again. Now she can see that the recording doll that she already given her, and that doll is the reason why Janjan is trying to poke her off. This is really confusing, right? Let's see on what's gonna happen next. Mom, don't you understand your own daughter? Have you ever seen me a serious relationship? I'm under a lot of academic pressure, so I'm just talking, wasting my time. Well, this really feels sadness, right? We can really her to see like this. Looking at her, finally realizing what are the things that she done. Well, do you think she's really regretting what happened or she was going to fleece her and coax her back again? Now, this is really interesting, right? Let's see what's gonna happen. Listen to my explanation. The day my mom found out I have returned to China and called to scold me. You don't know her character. Those were all lies. I told her to fool her. Now, it makes sense. She was trying to calm her down, but still, Jane, she was avoiding her contact. This is really not good. Well, it really thinks that Jane, she is really good at this. Even trying to avoid her. Well, this must be terrifying. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!